What's up, you guys? My name is Gage, and I gotta show you that I'm gonna show you my double lock on my dresser. So I got this lock and this top combo lock. Alright, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So first thing you do, you take your padlock key right here. And you insert it in the lock. Hold on, let me do this. Alright guys, so I got it unlocked. And you use through that. It opens. This is an old padlock. Yeah, well, that's taken out. And then you need to enter the password to this lock. And I can't. I'm gonna pause this video because I can't show it on camera. Alright guys, so I just got the lock opened. And since all locks are taken off, you flick this open. And it reveals your stuff that's in here. Pretty nice. Reveals all your stuff that's in here. I got. That's gonna do it for the video. Goodbye, guys. Peace out.